For several weeks now, the world has been in the throes of uncertainty, and this has taken its toll on markets. While the government needs to be alive to the public health issues we face, we at MoneyFarm need to be on hand to help provide guidance to our investors during this market turbulence. The temptation to panic during these times is real and understandable, and the role of MoneyFarm is to help support you to make rational decisions with your finances and not decisions that may be costly in the long term. It can be hard to visualise the long-term impact of losing faith in the markets in the short term, so let's look at a practical example that demonstrates this. This graph shows how two identical long-term portfolios have performed over a 10-year period depending on the behaviour of the investor. The red line represents a nervous investor who exited the markets at each significant jolt and only re-entered once the market recovered. The green line represents a rational or well-advised investor who remains faithful to their investment plan despite external conditions. In this example, over the 10-year period, the investor would have missed out on 60% of the portfolio growth. While this is an extreme example, missing out on these periods of recovery can have a meaningful impact on your ability to reach your financial goals, whether that be the ability to retire early or how much you have in retirement. So, even in the current period of uncertainty, we remain firm in our strategy. History has shown that markets do recover, and whilst the recovery period is unknown, it can pay for long-term investors to remain invested, especially if you do not need the money in the immediate term. The guidance continues to be, therefore, to work with an expert advisor to define an investment strategy at outset, one that is well diversified, has a long-term time horizon, and is in line with your capacity for loss and attitude to risk. Once this strategy is established, the best course of action is to remain faithful to your investment goals, regardless of short-term volatility in markets. As ever, MoneyFarm is on hand to evaluate your profile and either help develop an investment strategy to meet your goals or talk through the one you already have. Head to moneyfarm.com to find an investment plan that is tailored to you or to contact one of our investment advisors. Keep safe during this period, and our very best wishes from everyone at MoneyFarm.